Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can check battery health in HUAWEI. To start, you will need to download and install the free app that is called Ampere. So open the app gallery, find the required app, here it is. Tap at the install button in front of it. Now we'll give it a few seconds to be downloaded and installed, or rather we will allow the app gallery to install apps from external sources first, then manually start the Ampere app installation. Upon installing, you can just go ahead and launch it, let it calibrate itself or measure everything it needs to, and then just look at the health section or status, whatever, and then that's your battery health. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.